Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to encrypt your Vivo Y29. If you're using Vivo Y29 and now you want to encrypt your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for privacy here. Tap on it, and here you will get a lot of privacy settings which you can easily do. Here's the privacy dashboard. Just select it, and here you'll easily get the access of your permissions, size, location, camera, microphone, and here are much more. You can easily check your permission access here. After that, just look for permission manager here, select it. Here you can easily manage your permissions which you can allow or don't allow to any app. Now go back, and here's the smart privacy protection, and tap on it, and here it's the screen sharing privacy protection for meetings. You are in any meeting or video call, so it will protect your screen privacy. After that, go back, and here data sharing updates or location. If your phone is being located, so it will inform you. After that, here's the show password. If you are unlocking your device, so if you want to hide your password, so you can easily disable it, and I have already disabled. And here's the show media unlock screen. If your media is playing in background, highlights any music or videos, you can hide it from your lock screen to disable the setting. Here the show clipboard access. If you have copied something, so now you want to hide it, so you can easily disable the settings. And after that, here's the show screenshot. If you have taken any screenshot and your screenshot is showing on your detection prompt, you can easily disable it from here. And here's the screen capture protection. You can easily disable it if you want, but I suggest you just have to enable it. And here's unlocked power off. When you are going to power off your phone, it will recommend, it will want the password. You just have to enable this. And here's the notification on lock screen. If you want to see your lock screen notification, you can easily enable it, but if you want to hide your notification on lock screen, so you have to disable the setting. And after that, here's the recent apps and much more you can easily do. Here's the app encryption. You can encrypt your apps by setting a lock or fingerprint. And here's the app hiding. You can easily hide your apps from your home screen. Now go back, and here's the password and security. Select it, and here's the much more settings, which is your screen lock, fingerprint, face, and app encryption, and much more setting you can easily do. So that's how you can easily encrypt your Vivo phone, Vivo Y29. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.